What do we have here?
Ground beef.
Ground beef.
Ground beef.
Ground beef.
1.5 pounds.
It's 1.5 pounds. And then we're gonna add an egg. Add egg. Yeah. It was a slipping right there.
It's fine.
Then add some garlic in there. This was going to be so good. But I had this before.
Yeah. You love the burgers. And what's this?
What is that?
Minced onion.
Minced onion. Nani has a minced onion. And then sprinkle it in there. Then we add some celery salt.
It's a dash.
What?
It's a dash.
The dash.
That, and then a grinded pepper.
And then grind the pepper on it. Grind a couple of pepper. Can I do the salt?
Yeah, hold out your hand.
I was sprinkling it. Like.
Alright, I'm gonna mix it together. Get your hand in there.
Oh, yeah. Squeeze that
Alright,
all
hold on.
together.
And we make it. What do we do now?
I don't know.
We divide it into patties. How many of us are eating a burger? 4. That's fine.
4?
4 pieces.
How do you do that?
Squeeze it into a ball. Oh, you didn't. I need to add that to this.
Oh, we need it to be a little bit more bigger.
Yeah, you need to get the whole. Oh, no. Hang on. Just take half of that. Here. And then you mash a thumbprint in the middle of it. Blah.
You did that before?
Mm-hmm. You're too close to the camera. You're too close. All the way down the bowl. There you go.
On the other side too?
No, just on the one side.
Okay. Can I do it to the other one? How did you do that?
You can't mash it together with your hands. Alright. 2 fingers like that right in the middle. Blah.
Do you actually see the fingerprints?
Mm-hmm. Thumbs up.
Uh-huh. You always do a thumbs up.
Yep.
It's so gooey.
Move over to the pan. 4 burgers.
4
Or
patties.
however you like.
What?
We're doing these in cast iron. What do we do first?
Spray it. Put one in. Why are you doing it with your bare hands?
Because I can. I'll wash them afterwards.
Okay. Oh wow, those look delicious. Those look delicious, Daddy. They are super delicious. I ate those before and they were super delicious. They're so delicious. Look at the other side. It's
Already flipped it. Yep.
Well, they're ready. For the second one?
Yeah, they're ready. So what we do is you flip them one last time.
Oh, wow.
Put cheese on them. Kill the heat.
What's dirty?
Kill the heat and cover it up.
Now see.
Ta-da!
Yeah, that'll be good enough for the cheese to be melted.
That will be good enough.
That'll be good enough for the cheese to be melted.
You heard it here, folks. My burgers are good enough.
Hey, we're gonna make onion rings right now. So we need a cup of flour. Just a cup of flour. Now, what's our next ingredient? Which it is salt.
1 teaspoon.
1 teaspoon of salt. Which my dad loves onion rings. But I want to eat the whole onion ring. Remember the other you just saw me took a little nibble?
Stir it together.
Then now you need to get a whisk and whisk it all up. All good. Mmm, delicious. Like these are the dry ingredients.
That's correct. And then we set that aside.
Now we're gonna use the egg whites and then put the cream of tartar, just like that we did to the waffles, to make it super fluffy. We need to do the same thing as the onion rings, right, Daddy?
That's correct.
And we need a hand mixer. I gotta make it in my ears. Wait, that's not even loud at all. That'll get loud. And there we go. Are these the mixers?
Egg whites.
Egg whites.
But these are beaters.
Beaters. Okay. Now that's the egg whites. Now we need to get the liquid ingredients. First we need eggs, 2 egg yolks, and put that in there. Can I mix it? What is that?
It's beer.
Beer?
3/4 of a cup.
3/4 of beer.
And 1 tablespoon melted butter. Mix it together.
Now we need to get a whisk.
Quick, before it solidifies.
A whisk friend again. And whisk it all up. It'll be all good. Now I need to add. I just smell the beer.
Yeah, I like the smell.
What? You don't?
I do.
You do? You like the smell?
Mm-hmm. It's an adult drink.
But some people actually like the wine.
Mm-hmm.
Then you need to fold it up so it'll be all good enough. And then that is done. Double
up.
thumbs up. Double thumbs up. Now that's the batter. We need to get this. The cutting board. Then we need to get an onion. I don't want to get tears out of me.
These are special onions. These are Vidalia onions, and they do not give you tears.
Oh, you can just get close to them?
Yep.
Okay, Can I do that?
Yeah.
What is that from the onion?
Yeah.
It doesn't give me tears?
It does not. This Vidalia onions do not give you tears.
Okay. What is this onion again?
Vidalia onion.
You keep peeling the Vidalia onion. Vidalia onion. So it will be all good and delicious. And there we go. It's good to go.
Make rings.
Now we need the rings. The onion always has rings. Right, Daddy?
Correct.
Keep chopping. You gotta chop it. Don't have to chop it some more. Just chop it like that. Then you gotta add. Then you gotta get the middle out, because you don't need the middle. Get the rings in there. Get in their rings. Now I need to get this. What is this?
This is a deep fryer.
I need a deep fryer so we can fry the onions.
And turn it way up.
Turn it way up. It's on. Is it on 400?
Yes.
Okay. This is gonna be some delicious onion rings for you and Grandma. Does Gable like them?
Yes.
And also for Gable.
And nice and brown.
Let me see. Can you please pick one out so I could see it? Oh, wow.
Golden brown onion rings are delicious.
Oh, wow. Yeah, one is done. Two of them are done. Three of them are done. 4, 5. Shall we add more?
We give it a moment to get that hot again.
I when they do that. Did you saw that? Zoop. I like that. How's that? They're not really delicious, but these ones are drying.
They're cooling.
Cooling off. You like it?
Oh man, it's good. Here, try a small one.
Well, let's think about this. It's so good!
That's good, isn't it?
They're not bad.
No, not bad.
Not bad at all.